news now coming in from Pakistan. Pakistan leadership is in a huddle right now. They are in a panic. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif will be meeting Bilawal Bhutto in Islamabad. We are told at about 4:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Pakistan media has been reporting, citing sources. There is also a National Security Committee meeting. Remember, right after India has taken 5 big diplomatic decisions. Pakistan not yet responding on that though, but they will be preparing most likely response on it as well. Our foreign affairs editor Geeta Mohan is joining me for the latest on that, and Kamaljeet Sandhu also joining me. Kamaljeet has been reporting live on this incident. Kamaljeet, I first come to you. No response yet. In fact, I believe Shehbaz Sharif didn't even have, of course, a formal message of condolence to send out to the neighbor nation. Not that we wanted, but even that would have been a basic courtesy that didn't come. How are you looking at how the establishment in Islamabad in Pakistan is behaving right now?
Well, a callous attitude from Pakistan at this point of time, but definitely when the National Security Committee meeting under the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, what is also important and clear is that there would be some sort of a response coming in from Pakistan, be it legal, be it otherwise, because what we've seen is a huge diplomatic offensive being launched by India and a huge action, whether it's Atari Wagah border, whether it's the Indus Water Treaty. So thereafter, what we also know is there has been downsizing of the Pakistan embassy from 55 to about 30, which is also going to be something what we'll see is commensurate. And after the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken in Bihar, what is important is that there could be some sort of definitive action as far as either the terrorists are concerned or the launch pads are concerned. So there is obviously some sort of an anticipation by the Pakistani army and the Pakistan ISI, and that's why what we know is the guards are really up, especially near the international border as well as on the line of control. But clearly the direction has to come from the Pakistan's political leadership. So we do anticipate that after the meeting there would be a commensurate response at least to India. But at this point of time, India moving extremely fast, whether it's taking meetings are concerned. There is also an all-party meeting which is going to be taking place in the evening. But clearly, there seems to be a lot of pressure coming on Pakistan at this point of time, especially after the big terror attack. And remember, when Pakistan gave that response, they did not even condole the terror attack. And this has been a massive one. At one point of time, especially where what we've seen is all nations have stood behind India. This is where Pakistan's response is not only lacking, there is lack of empathy definitely. And now thereafter what we know is that India's stern diplomatic message has gone across, and now there's a meeting taking place in Pakistan headed by Prime Minister of Pakistan, and we'll see that in short while, perhaps by evening itself, some sort of a commensurate response will come in. And remember, Pakistan has gone along all the way and kept saying we are victims of terror, but they have not said a word as far as
lack of empathy on one side. I also believe, Kamaljeet, like you're telling us, it's also how Pakistan has been exposed, and they did not expect India to take at least diplomatic decisions to begin with. Pakistan also always has believed they can come massacre our people. India will not do anything. But India, perhaps it's time also now taking one decision after another and to send out a message to the world as well. Kamaljeet, please stay on with me. Kamaljeet is on the ground in Pahalgam.